Here I am going to talk about complement of an event. The complement of an event A, denoted by A complement, is the collection of all the events that are not in A. If probability of A equals to probability of A happening, then probability of A complement equals to probability of A not happening. For probability of A complement, we can also say probability of everything other than A happening. Now the question is, how are PA, probability of A, and probability of A complement related? So the relationship of probability of A and probability of A complement is this. So the sum of probability of A and probability of A complement is equal to 1. So basically, elements in A and elements not in A equals to everything. So now let's look at this example here. Suppose 30,000 people visited a national park in USA and 6,000 of them were Canadians. Let A be the event that the visitor is a Canadian. Here we have to find probability of A and probability of A complement. We know the formula for probability of A is number of possibilities in A over total number of all possibilities. So from the question, we know number of possibilities in A is 6,000, which is this. And we also know total number of all possibilities is 30,000. Okay? So that's how we have 6,000 over 30,000, which is also equals to 1 over 5 or 0.2 or 20%. Now we have to find probability of A complement. So the formula for probability of A complement is number of possibilities not in A over total number of all possibilities. So the number of possibilities not in A is 24,000. We get this number by subtracting 30,000 minus 6,000. So that's how we get this number. And 30,000 comes from here. So those are the people visited a national park in USA. Now, this fraction can be reduced to the lowest form, which is this. So basically, this fraction is equal to this, which is which is also 0.8 or 80%. So the other way of finding probability of A complement is we can also do, we know the relationship between probability of A and probability of A complement is this. Probability of A plus probability of A complement equals to 1. So from here, we know probability of A is 0.2. Okay. So I will just copy the rest. And now we just need to solve this equation to find probability of A complement. So basically this becomes probability of A complement equals to 1 minus 0.2, which is equals to 0.8. Okay. This is the another way we can find probability of A complement. Now let's look at another example. According to meteorologists, the probability that it rains today is 0.3127. Here we have to find the probability that it does not rain today. So this is what we need to find. probability that it does not rain today. So we know the probability that it does not rain today is equal to 1 minus probability it rains today. So since we know the probability it rains today is 0.3127 from here, so here all we can do is plug in that number in this formula. So we get this. So which is also equal to 0.6873. So the probability it does not rain today is this. Now let's look at this example. A survey finds that 21% of students in a college find abbreviations such as BRB or Be Right Back annoying when texting a student is randomly selected. So here we have to find what is the probability that the student does not find abbreviations annoying when texting. So this is what we need to find, probability of students that does not find abbreviations annoying. So this is equal to this. Probability of student that does not find abbreviations annoying is equal to 1 minus probability of student that finds abbreviations annoying. So from question we know probability, we know this part. So we know probability of students that find abbreviations annoying, which is this. Now all we did here was plugging in the number into this formula. So we get this, which is also equal to this. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. We will be bringing more and more videos on variety of topics.